Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the search button from appearing in your taskbar on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you want to hide this button, all you have to do is right click on it and select Hide from Taskbar. If you want to make it reappear, you could always open up the Start menu and then type in settings. Best result should say settings. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top left to open up the settings window, and then select personalization. On the right side, you want to go down underneath taskbar and left click on it. And you want to turn search to the on position. So that's one way you could turn it on or off. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.